What if AI replaced you? What if AI could do a job better and faster? Would you be ready? AI is transforming content creation at lightning speed. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. But here's the good news: you could stay ahead, and I'm about to show you how. Imagine spending hours crafting the perfect blog post only to see AI generated something similar in seconds. Frustrating, right? But here's the secret: AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to make you unstoppable. Let me share a quick story. Jane, a freelance writer, feared AI would take her clients. Instead of resisting, she embraced AI tools to speed up research and editing. The results: more clients, more income, and less stress. How do you stay ahead? First, use AI as a co pilot, not an autopilot. Let it handle research and outlines, but keep your unique voice. Second, adapt before it's too late. Experiment with AI tools now, learn their strengths, and integrate them into your workflow. Third, double down on creativity. AI can generate words, but it can't replace emotion or human storytelling. Your originality is your superpower. The future isn't AI versus humans, it's AI plus humans. Those who embrace the change will thrive. So don't wait. Start leveraging AI today and take your content to the next level. If this helped, hit subscribe for more insights on navigating the digital revolution. Let's stay ahead together.